The review of the proposal in the BBI report. The Pefa Church Kenya has reviewed and considered the proposal seeking to answer three main questions. The proposal dividing Kenyans more than uniting them. Our stand is that it should unite Kenyans. Can be appointed into the cabinet. Independent of the National Police Service, the proposal in the BBI report to abolish the National Police Service Commission and replace it with the Kenya Police Council, headed by the Cabinet Secretary for Interior, will highly compromise and prioritize the independence of the National Police Service and the Inspector General. We strongly recommend retention and strengthening of the National Police Service Commission as opposed to abolishing it. And therefore, in IBC, we are saying the proposal of the IBC that they should be appointed by political parties. To us, we are seeing that this is a dangerous trend because they will be eventually controlled by the same political parties. One, that the BBI process and all reforms now and in the future should have an inclusive national dialogue process to ensure that all concerns of Kenyans are taken into consideration. That comprehensive civic education be undertaken to ensure that all Kenyans are made aware of the contents and make informed choices. We encourage all Kenyans to read the report. The church is a good agent of civic education. We are asking that the churches be considered to be part of civic education because already they have constituencies that listen to them. The country's elected leaders should seriously interrogate and facilitate the apposition and appointment of all the commissioners and the electoral laws in preparation for the 2022 general election. Love and unity. We urge each of you to actively participate in the reform processes respectfully and in all discussions as time